Maintaining a diesel engine at peak performance involves paying attention to components that often go unnoticed until they fail. Among the most critical of these is the fuel injection pump. Without it, a diesel engine loses efficiency, power, and reliability almost immediately. For Nissan Patrol GR 3.0 DTI owners, the 109,342-4026/4027 16700 VG100 compatible diesel fuel injection pump is a solution engineered for precision and durability. This is not a mere accessory, it's an essential part that ensures the engine continues to operate as designed. Understanding why this component is so important starts with recognizing its role. The fuel injection pump controls the timing and amount of diesel delivered to the engine's combustion chamber. Precise fuel delivery is essential for efficient combustion, optimal torque, smooth acceleration, and dependable starting. When a pump starts to fail, the engine may struggle to start, idle roughly, emit excessive smoke, or lose power. The 109,342-4026/4027 pump is manufactured to meet the specific requirements of the Patrol GR 3.0 DTI, guaranteeing compatibility and performance. Unlike generic aftermarket parts, which may have slight deviations, this pump ensures exact fit and calibration. Diesel engines require precision. Even a small timing mismatch or incorrect fuel delivery can reduce performance and increase engine wear. Over time, fuel injection pumps naturally experience wear. Diesel fuel, despite filtration, contains microscopic particles, and high-pressure operation gradually erodes the pump's internal components. As a result, symptoms like hard starts, uneven idling, reduced acceleration, and increased fuel consumption appear. Installing a compatible replacement pump restores the engine's efficiency and performance. Performance improvement is significant with this pump. Proper fuel atomization ensures smoother combustion, consistent torque, and a more responsive engine. This is especially important for drivers who use their Patrol for off-road adventures, towing, or long-distance travel. Reliable torque and consistent power delivery make steep climbs, heavy loads, and extended drives much easier. Fuel economy is another key factor. A failing injection pump causes incomplete combustion, which directly increases fuel consumption. Restoring proper fuel delivery with this pump can bring efficiency back to its factory levels, reducing overall running costs. Over time, the savings can be substantial, particularly for drivers with high mileage. Durability is essential. The Nissan Patrol has a reputation for long-lasting performance, and the components that support it must meet similar standards. This pump is made with high-quality materials capable of handling high pressures and extreme temperature variations, ensuring reliability over many years. Another critical point is avoiding the risks of using generic parts. Small deviations in size or calibration in a generic pump can lead to long-term engine damage. Diesel engines demand precision, and a compatible pump like this eliminates the risk of mismatched performance that could result in costly repairs. In real-world scenarios, the impact is immediate. A Patrol that struggled to start on cold mornings now starts consistently. Hesitation during acceleration disappears. Smoke from the exhaust is reduced, signaling improved combustion efficiency. The engine runs smoother, feels stronger, and is more responsive under load. These improvements make the replacement pump a practical and valuable solution. Long-term engine health also benefits. A malfunctioning injection pump can affect injectors, cause internal wear, and even shorten engine lifespan. Replacing the pump proactively prevents more serious damage, protecting the investment in the vehicle and maintaining reliability. Availability is a practical concern for many owners.